Vanakkam, welcome to RecipeCheckr. I am Sunder. In today's episode is a special Pongal and Shankaranti episode. In today's menu, I have Sakkarai Pongal or the Sweet Pongal. And this particular dish is so popular in temples as it is known for its aroma, taste and the texture. And what makes it so special? Since many of you requested for this dish, I've decided going to make one for you today. Stay tuned. The total preparation time of making the Sakkarai Pongal or the Sweet Pongal is about 20 to 25 minutes. The ingredients we need. Process consisting of 3 quick stages. First, I'm going to show you how to make jaggery syrup, and stage 2, I'm going to boil the ingredients, the rice and the dal as well as the chana dal, and once I got it ready, I'm going to combine this together on the 3rd stage. Let's do that. In a pan, get the grated or powdered jaggery, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to spread it around and put some water. And this takes about few minutes. The consistency is almost getting into a single string. Now this is ready, almost sitting there for about 3 minutes. You can see it's become dark now and it's reduced. And what I'm going to do is, I'm going to take 2 spoons to show you how this consistency can be checked. You can see that the single string. I'm going to add some water. Switch it off so that I can arrest the cooking. Usually the jaggeries have some impurities, so it's always recommended that you strain this and then use it for further cooking. So once this is ready now, so while this is a little cool down and then I'm going to strain it. Now I have strained the syrup, the jaggery syrup. Still it is warm, but you can see that I've removed all the impurities using a kitchen strainer and it's clear. And this is going to be the base for sweetness. And in the meantime, while it was ready, I have cooked the rice, moong dal and the chana dal in a pressure cooker for about 3 to 4 whistles. You add around about 2.5 times of the quantity of the content as water, and now I cooked it and this is also ready. So this is the very base of the Sweet Pongal. Now what I'm going to do now is, I'm going to take a pan, taking 2 spoons of clarified butter or ghee. Now I'm going to add the dal and the rice cooked base, and once it's in, I'm going to add the jaggery. I will not add full, I just kept a little bit here, and my flame is in a mere simmer, so I'm going to mix it. I think I will add the jaggery in full. That's mainly for color and the sweetness. Now it's about 2 minutes. It's almost ready now. Texture, the consistency, the flavor, everything is fine. At this stage, I'm going to add another spoon clarified butter. That will give you the smoothness. It's very important. So once it's mixed well, and I'm going to take this off and leave it aside. Take a small 2 full spoons of clarified butter again. So the flavor comes in from 2 ingredients. One is, usually they add the cardamom powder, which is general, but I always prefer that add a little bit of finely chopped coconut. Once the coconut fry a little bit in the clarified butter, the particular aroma is very unique and that makes your pongal very special. I'm going to add the raisins and the cashew nuts, and I'm adding the coconut. That I need to get the mild golden brown color in my cashew nuts. You can start feeling the beautiful aroma of that coconut, which is getting nicely fried. So this is almost ready now. I'm going to put my pan back here and I'm going to pour the base is consuming a lot of the ghee because that will give you the palatability of the dish. So I'm just adding whatever the leftover I have on the ghee. One of the very important secrets are always in this sweet dish. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. That will give you the balanced mouthfeel. And finally, I'm going to add cardamom powder and just give you a mix. And this dish is ready. Temple style and special beautiful flavor, aroma, taste, Sakkarai Pongal is ready now. So I'm going to switch this off, just give one more mix. I'm going to serve it in a bowl and get it ready. So hope you enjoy the Sakkarai Pongal today. So thank you so much for watching, and please try these techniques and the recipe at home. Write to me on your experience. I look forward to see you with another recipe. If you haven't subscribed our channel, again there is a reminder, please do so that we can get back to you with all the new recipes. Thank you.